till 7 a.m., not just because of the storms that we're dealing with right now, but also because of the winds that could gust after the storms depart, 40 to 50, if not 60 miles per hour. So you want to secure any loose items, maybe still have some Halloween decorations up or patio furniture out. They need to be secured tonight. And watch out for falling branches too, with the trees losing their leaves. Sometimes it's easier for those dead branches to come crashing down. So just be on guard tonight. We have the severe thunderstorm warning until 9:15. You can see that shaded in gold. Again, that's southern Susquehanna County, most of Wyoming County, almost all of Lackawanna County, and it might get extended into Wayne County past 9:15 if the storm continues to hold on to its energy. Look at some of these wind gusts. 450 miles per hour out in State College and Wellsboro from the storms that already rolled through. That's on the way to Scranton, so that 33 mile per hour wind gust will be nothing by comparison to when these storms come through within the next 15 minutes. We're talking about an additional 10 to 15 mile per hour bump on gusts. So be aware of that. Wind speeds right now sustained at 21 in Scranton, sustained at 14 in Mount Pocono. It's clearing out in Williamsport after the raindrops were on the lens earlier. It's still quite calm here in our backyard. It will be a different scenario in just 15 to 20 minutes. We're at 56 degrees right now. We were up to 65 today. Again, that 65 is the warmest we've been in 2 weeks. Williamsport near 70 today. Philly and New York all right around 70 degrees. A lot of warmth in the atmosphere, and that's something we haven't seen for the past 20 days. If you look back at the last 13, just 4 of those last 13 days were above average. We're still warm in the area that has not seen the showers and storms yet. 56 in Scranton, 59 in Tafton, whereas we're already down into the 40s north and west. Mansfield sitting at 42, Wellsboro at 47. Once the showers move out, we'll clear out, and that'll be perfect for being able to see the beautiful full moon. I just want to make sure, for those of you joining us right now, that you're aware of what we're talking about. There is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Lackawanna, Luzerne, Wyoming, and southern Susquehanna counties. Here is the picture. You can see that golden shaded box. If you live anywhere in Dixon City, if you live in Scranton, Falls, Carbondale, Old Forge, Pittston, Archibald, Blakely, Taylor. These are all places that will see the severe thunderstorm in the next 15 to 20 minutes. There's the wind advisory in effect in addition to that, and that extends way past the severe thunderstorm warning because of the fact that we will have wind gusts up to 30, 40, 50, if not 60 miles per hour. For those of you just joining us right now, here is a look at the radar. Some of the heaviest bouts of rain right now over northern Lackawanna County, just to the north of Factoryville. You're seeing the downpours right now. Clifford, Harford, Forest City, you're up next, and this is headed towards Scranton, Troop, Carbondale. Anywhere in the valley of Scranton and up towards Carbondale, you should be bracing for this storm. This is not something we talk about often, folks, in November. A lot of the time, we are starting to see a decrease in the potential for severe weather, but tonight is an anomaly, and we want to make sure you're prepared for what's to come. So here's what I see over the next 3 hours. We'll be wrapped up with this. It'll move out of Pike County by midnight. Once we go through the overnight, we'll have beautiful clear skies for the full moon. It's called the Beaver Moon tonight. And then we get that gusty wind out of the northwest. All day today, it's been a gusty wind out of the south. Tomorrow, it'll be a gusty wind out of the northwest. We could even see a few spot sprinkles. Some of the models are indicating the possibility of a flurry. I don't think that's possible. It's just not going to be cold enough, even on our hilltops. So just watch out for a spot sprinkle, nothing severe, and then we clear out for the rest of the night. We start to see the clouds increase later on Friday, and more showers are on the way then. Tonight, we're not expecting much rain, just a few hundredths of an inch, maybe 15 hundredths for Scranton. But the winds are going to be the primary story through the night tonight, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. Through your day tomorrow, 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts. They back off for Friday morning, but by Friday afternoon, they're once again up to 30 to 40 miles an hour. And that's because we got another system on the way. Here's how I see things Friday afternoon. Mostly dry, but by 6 p.m. we're dealing with more showers. No thunderstorms expected, no severe weather, but this will impact your Friday night plans, and it'll continue through Saturday very early in the morning. Then we're also tracking this very active pattern. We had these showers and thunderstorms tonight. Tomorrow, it'll be clear for the most part. Then we're dealing with another round of showers as they come through on Friday. Then we're clear on Saturday. Then we get another punch of showers and even some flurries possible Sunday into Monday. So here's how it looks. We got this low pressure system rolling on in as we go through our day on Sunday. Widespread showers likely throughout the early half of Sunday into your afternoon. Some clearing into the evening, but we get this wraparound moisture and some cold air filtering in by Monday morning. And we're possibly seeing the potential of some snow showers late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. I know we've talked a lot about severe weather, we've talked a lot about rain showers, but I do want to give you an update that there is a full moon tonight. Once the showers are done and the storms are out, you should be able to see it. It was at 4:39 that it rose. It's officially full. It's known as the frosty moon because this is the time of year we get a lot of frost in our air, and it's also the time of year that the beavers start creating their dams, so that's why we call it the beaver moon. It's from Native American culture and tradition. This is a very special moon. It's a supermoon, which means it's 14% bigger and 30% brighter than the average micro moon. So it's a lot bigger, a lot brighter, and it's actually the biggest and brightest since 2019. So definitely worth seeing. I'm taking a look at our crawl at the bottom of our screen on WNEP, and I'm noticing that they did extend the severe thunderstorm warning. So I want to give you that closer up here. Let me pull it up for you. National Weather Service working in conjunction, simultaneously as I'm broadcasting. So they're now extending that severe thunderstorm warning, seeing that the storm that we're tracking is not decreasing in intensity. So now some additional locations are in this severe thunderstorm warning. It extends all the way through most of Wayne County, Honesdale, Blooming Grove, Lackawaxen, and now in Pike County in this severe thunderstorm warning. It's been extended until 9:45. So if you live in Pike and Wayne counties, now you also have to be on guard as the National Weather Service sees this continuing to be an issue with the possibility of hail the size of quarters and wind, the gusts possibly up to 60 miles per hour. So here's a new list of cities that should be on guard. We were talking earlier about Scranton, Dunmore, Carbondale, Archibald, Blakely, Taylor, Dixon City, also, of course, Clark Summit, Oliphant, and Jessup. But now I have a new list of cities for you. Give me just 1 second here while I pull them up. So if you live in the severe thunderstorm warning area, that also includes Fallsburg, Lackawaxen, Blooming Grove, Honesdale, Bethel, Pawpack, of course Bethel in New York, but Pawpack, Damascus right on the border of New York and Pennsylvania, and Neversink. So this is quite a potent storm for February, and we're tracking it very closely. If it does develop any spin-ups, you will be first to know. We'll be broadcasting live on WNEP. Right now, the main threat is high winds up to 60 miles per hour. Those can be very damaging, just as damaging if a tornado were to touch down. So make sure everything, if you live in Scranton, this is your last moment to go outside and secure what you have outside that might be unsecured. Or maybe bring in those Halloween decorations or deflate the Halloween decor if you haven't just yet. And of course, we're also tracking the risk of maybe some small hail with these storms too. So thank you for joining us here on this quick stream that we did on our Facebook page, our YouTube, and of course, WNEP+. We appreciate that you spend some time here with us. We hope that we're keeping you safe. If you live in any of these areas that are currently under the severe thunderstorm warning, it extends until 9:45. It'll be here in Scranton within 5 minutes. Take cover. Let it pass by, and then go out and enjoy the beautiful Beaver full moon. Thank you again for joining us. Stay safe.